G35.
What is true love? Cause you above, cause you above. Yeah. Feel like my bitch be tweaking, yeah. Had a little bitch for the week, yeah. Diamonds got me shining like a beacon. Cause you has the energy you're seeking.
Shining with y'all niggas, man. Kaiju, NFL Kaiju in this bitch, nigga. Little monkey in the cut, nigga, with the fucking 4-door in that bitch, nigga.
Hell yeah.
What the fuck, nigga? I just got a free G35, nigga. What the fuck? Nigga, G35 in this bitch, man.
Damn, hell.
Colorful ass exhaust on that bitch. Yes, sir. 2-door coupe in this bitch. Stop playing with him, boy.
And he got the OEM spoiler, like, that's tough, bro. Like,
Bro.
Bro.
Man, got
It be looking naked without this mother.
rims on the
that's what I'm saying.
curb rash on that bitch. But hey,
still
you finna
cool.
get it fixed though.
Let's crank your shit up. Let's see who's louder, bro.
Come here.
You know what I'm saying, motherfucking inside of this bitch. Huh? Let me crank my shit up too.
Only 124,000. Come on. Rev that shit. Rev that shit. This shit louder. Your shit got that.
Yeah, but his is loud.
Yeah.
Your shit got that schmonkey to it, bro.
That shit sound good though, bro.
Oh my god.
Yes, sirski. But yeah, man, we in the cut, man. Hey, man, we finna do some content in this bitch, bro.
Hell yeah, mad content.
Mad
dude.
content, man.
Content, dude.
Man, free G35 from my dad, man. Thank you, God, man. I swear, man. Hey, but let me know what kind of content y'all want to see, though, on God.
Pulling up on
I'm trying to
niggas.
pull up on niggas,
Yeah.
bro. See this shit.
Yeah. Pulling up on niggas, bro. I saw John that nigga John. Get your tits, nigga. Hey, you get your tits, nigga. You go.
Yeah, it's gonna be Chris. It's gonna be Chris. This bitch already 10. You just gotta get these. Slide that shit around his shit.
Nah, I can't do it.
You know what it's sliding, bro? Nigga, you was swinging.
Y'all want me to slide this motherfucker real quick around that boy? Slide that.
This nigga Josh the master spinner and shit. We done gotta get out of here, bro.
Burn this boy. Burn that boy.
That downshift though. That's how you fucking do it. Zimty Joshy behind the camera. Bitch, I niggas don't know how to parallel park. Shit, hold on.
Got my charger right here.
Kaiju G35 back in the cut, man. Hey, man. Finna be doing some POVs in this bitch. Man, I'm finna be spinning this hole in there, motherfucker, man. With Zimty Josh, you motherfucker, nigga. In a him. Nigga, stop playing.
Fun, boy.
Hey man, stay man. Hey, hold on, check the fit real quick. Nigga. I don't got that Adidas motherfucker.
Yeah, he got that shit on there.
Amiri jeans on that motherfucker. Yeah. Hold on, nigga.
I got that shit on too.
Oh, 1%. You the 1% right there. Nigga, stop playing, nigga.
1%, boy.
Oh shit, nigga. Hey, nigga, got the sixes. It's over.
Man.
Wide body kid, that motherfucker right here, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, I'm finna Oh,
let me have
I
it.
don't know what that is.
I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take it for you.
What is that, bro?
Put it in my pocket.
Stop it.
Oh.
Hey man, I finna quick clip of Zimty Joshy spinning this hoe. Out. Brother, what are you doing? Get off my car.
We can't be doing that stuff to this beautiful masterpiece. You can't be doing that stuff to this beautiful masterpiece.
That girl was a girl. I cut the camera, man.